Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai Veloster SR, stock reference number 5795. This shape runs from the 7th month 2012 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a set of aftermarket OX 18-inch alloy mags, all with average tyres. Left-hand side skirt, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket OX alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket alloy mag with an average tyre. Right door, 3 small dents, right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front aftermarket XO alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.